In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block internet connection for Adobe Acrobat. We'll start on Windows using the built-in firewall, which is the safest and most reliable way. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog, type WFSC and press Enter to launch Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. In the left panel, select Outbound Rules since we want to stop Acrobat from talking out to the internet. On the right, click New Rule, choose Program and Continue. Pick this program path, then browse to the Acrobat executable. On many systems, it's located at C/Program Files /Adobe acrobat.dc acrobat/acrobat.exe, though your exact folder name may differ by version or install location. After selecting it, proceed, choose Block the Connection, and move forward. Make sure all three profiles, domain, private, and public, are checked so the block applies everywhere. Give the rule a clear name like Block Adobe Acrobat Internet and finish. From now on, Acrobat won't be able to reach the web. If you ever need to restore connectivity, just disable or delete this rule. On macOS, you can use the system firewall, but note it mainly controls incoming traffic. Go to System Settings, open Network, then Firewall, turn the firewall on, open Options, add Adobe Acrobat, and set it to block incoming connections. This helps reduce unsolicited access, but it doesn't fully stop Acrobat from making outbound requests. For true outbound control on a Mac, consider a dedicated firewall tool such as Lulu, which is free, or Little Snitch. With either, create a rule to block all outgoing connections for Adobe Acrobat. If you prefer to minimize online activity from within the app, you can adjust Acrobat's preferences. Open Adobe Acrobat, go to the menu for Edit, then Preferences, and under General, uncheck Show Online Storage when opening files and Show Me Messages when I launch Acrobat. Next, open Security, Enhanced. You'll see an option called Enable Protected Mode at Startup. This is optional to change, and keep in mind it's a security feature. Only disable it if you understand the implications. Click OK and restart Acrobat. These tweaks reduce online prompts and background calls, but they do not fully block internet access. For advanced users, you can block Adobe domains at the network level via the host file, your router's firewall, or DNS blockers like Pi-hole. Be aware this can interfere with updates, sign-in, and cloud features. That's it. Choose the method that fits your system and control level, and remember to re-enable access when you need updates or online features.